look at this review question. Question number 1 say the user of government accounting information and financial report can be classified into 2 categories, namely the internal and external. Discuss. This is a past question. This is a past ICAN question. Users of government accounting information and financial reports can be classified into 2, namely internal and external. Discuss. So if you look at this question, it's not just asking for you to list the internal user and external user. You must say some other thing. The question say discuss. It did not just say list. Some people will just come here and just list the internal and the external user. No, you have to say more than that. Let's quickly attempt to provide solution to this question. Question 1. Solution. Question 1. Now, the question say we should discuss users of financial statement. They have 2. And number 1, we have what? We have internal user as mentioned in the question. So the question is, who are the internal users? Remember, we said number 1 of it is the executives. We have the executives and their advisors. We have the executive and the advisor. We have the top administrator. We have the top administrators of government, top administrator of government departments. We have managers. We have managers or directors of government units. We have the subordinates. We have the subordinates who are delegated with control tasks. Who are delegated with control tasks. We have various ad hoc and other committee, set up by government to examine specified functions. Let's look at external users. External users, we have the legislative, houses, or what we call the Senate. We have the general public. We have the researchers. And representative of media. We have sectional group We have sectional group within the population. Sectional group within the population such as trade union, the political parties, we have foreign interests. Such as foreign friendly company, foreign friendly countries, we have foreign inventors, foreign investors, we have foreign investors and creditors. We have creditors. Another important thing to be looked at under this question is the purpose for which the reports are required. This report, why is it required? Purposes for which the reports are required. What are the purpose? We mentioned this earlier. Number one purpose is planning. Planning, that is to serve as a basis, for planning. Why do they require this information? To serve as a basis for planning, we said controlling, that is to serve as a basis, for controlling, will serve for decision making, that is to serve as a basis, for decision making. To serve as a basis for decision making, to give evidence, of financial accountability, to give evidence of financial accountability, to ascertain propriety, to ascertain the propriety of transaction, and their conformity with the established rule. wey dey established rules to serve as a basis for appraisal of the performance of management, to serve as a basis for appraisal of the performance of management and staff of government Now let's look at question 2. Question 2 says, government financial reporting helps to satisfy the information needs of a variety of users. Government financial reporting helps to satisfy the information needs of a variety of users. State the principal users of financial report and their needs. State the principal users. We have stated the principal user already, said, and their needs. Question 2. Government financial reporting helps to satisfy the information needs of a variety of users. State the principal users of government financial report and their uses. Let us also attempt to provide answers to this question. Okay, who are the principal users of public sector government accounting information? As we have mentioned, this is question 2, solution. We have the legislative, and other government bodies. What is their need? We said that the legislative and governing bodies grant authority to government and other units to administer public financial affairs and resources and subsequently hold them accountable. They are primary users of government financial reports. They look They look into financial report